Want richer sound, smarter noise control, and all-day comfort in one pair of headphones? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones, 2nd Gen, featuring powerful noise cancellation, immersive spatial audio, and premium high-fidelity sound. With a comfortable over-ear design, long battery life, and advanced Bluetooth connectivity, these headphones are built for an exceptional listening experience, whether you're traveling, working, or relaxing. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones, 2nd generation. Carrying case. Headphone cable. USB charging cable. User manual. Technical specifications. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones, 2nd Gen, feature an around-ear circumaural design, providing full immersion and comfort for long listening sessions. Built with a combination of plastic, aluminum, and protein leather, these headphones are both durable and stylish. They deliver high-fidelity sound through advanced drivers, while built-in microphones ensure clear voice pickup. Weighing just 0.583 pounds for the headphones and 1.061 pounds for the full system, they're lightweight and easy to wear. Active noise canceling is fully adjustable, with echo reduction for an even clearer listening experience, and you can let outside sounds in via ambient sound mode controlled through the Bose app. Automatically lowers volume or adjusts ANC to let you hear your surroundings without removing the headphones, keeping you aware in any situation. Bluetooth 5.4 ensures stable connectivity, supporting A2DP, HFP, AVRCP, and low-energy Bluetooth, with a wireless range of up to 30 feet. Audio streaming uses standard Bluetooth codecs like SBC and AAC, giving you high-quality wireless sound. The headphones offer up to 30 hours of battery life and charge via USB-C, taking about 3 hours for a full charge, with a charging accessory included. Product features. These headphones feature high-fidelity drivers combined with Bose custom-tuned technology, delivering rich, detailed sound that adapts to your unique hearing profile. Every note, beat, and vocal comes through with clarity, making music, movies, and calls feel more immersive and lifelike. Experience industry-leading active noise canceling that blocks out unwanted background sounds. With adjustable settings and echo reduction, you can fully focus on your audio, whether you're on a busy commute, working from home, or relaxing in a noisy environment. With up to 30 hours of battery life, these headphones keep up with even the longest days. And when you need a quick boost, a 15-minute USB-C charge gives you around 3 hours of playback, so you're never left waiting to get back to your music. Enjoy immersive, lossless audio through stable Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, with support for A2DP, HFP, AVRCP, and low-energy Bluetooth. Whether streaming music or taking calls, you get crisp, high-quality sound with minimal dropouts, perfectly suited for modern wireless listening. Take control of your listening experience with the Bose app. Adjust noise cancellation levels, switch between listening modes like quiet, aware, or immersion, and fine-tune the sound to match your preferences for a fully personalized audio experience. How to use. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones are designed to give you an immersive listening experience with just a few simple controls. To get started, press and release the Bluetooth or power button on the bottom of the right ear cup to turn them on, or hold it down until the status light blinks blue to enter pairing mode. You'll find the tactile volume strip on that same ear cup. Just slide your finger up or down to adjust your levels and use the small multifunction button above it to play, pause, or skip tracks with a quick tap. If you need to charge up, the USB-C port is located on the left ear cup, right next to the 2.5mm AUX port, for those times you prefer a wired connection. Once you're powered up and paired, you can press and hold the multifunction button to cycle through your noise cancellation modes and find your perfect sound. How to pair? To set up your headphones, start by pressing the Bluetooth power button on the right ear cup to turn them on for the first time. The headphones will automatically enter pairing mode, and the status light will blink blue to show they're ready to connect. If they don't enter this mode, press and hold the Bluetooth power button. You'll hear the power off tone, and the status light will flash white twice. Keep holding the button until you hear ready to connect, and the status light begins blinking blue. You can connect the headphones through your device's Bluetooth settings or use Fast Pair if you're on a supported Android device. To unlock all features, customize settings, and get future software updates, make sure to download the Bose app. Download and install the Bose app from Play Store or App Store, then open it and sign in with your MyBose account. Tap Set up new product. Choose headphones, earbuds, portable speakers, and frames, and wait while the app scans for your headphones. When they appear on your screen, tap Connect, then Pair, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once connected, you can view the battery level of your headphones from the app's control screen. The headphones can store up to 6 devices and stay actively connected to 2 devices at the same time for easy switching. How to charge. Locate the USB-C port on the left ear cup. Connect the included USB-C charging cable to the headphones and plug the other end into a USB power source, like a wall adapter, power bank, or computer. The LED indicator will turn amber while charging and turn off once fully charged. Just 10 minutes of charging gives up to 3 hours of playback, perfect for when you're in a hurry. A full charge takes about 3.5 hours, providing up to 30 hours of playback with active noise cancellation on. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. Product comparison. The Sony WH-1000XM6 features a lightweight, premium plastic and metal build with soft memory foam ear cups for all-day comfort. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones have a slightly more robust, lightweight design with premium materials and soft protein leather ear cushions, focusing on durability and comfort for long listening sessions. Sony WH-1000XM6 delivers high-resolution audio with 30mm dynamic drivers, adaptive sound control, and advanced noise cancellation. It also offers touch sensor controls for music, calls, and quick attention mode. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones provide excellent high-fidelity audio with Bose's acoustic noise canceling technology, customizable EQ, and intuitive physical and app-based controls for personalized listening. The Sony WH-1000XM6 offers up to 30 hours of playback with noise cancellation on, 40 hours with it off, and fast USB-C charging. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures stable wireless connectivity. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones provide a similar 30-hour battery life, fast USB-C charging, and Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, with multi-point support for connecting to multiple devices simultaneously. Pros and cons. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones 2nd Gen offer top-tier noise cancellation, rich, detailed sound, and immersive audio modes like spatial and cinema for a truly premium listening experience. They're super comfortable with soft, around-ear cushions, foldable for easy portability, and connect seamlessly to multiple devices with Bluetooth 5.4. You get up to 30 hours of battery life, quick charging for 3 hours in just 15 minutes, USB-C wired support, clear call quality, and full customization through the Bose app. On the flip side, they're pricey, the build leans on plastic, some users feel clamping force, and advanced modes can drain battery faster. App EQ is limited, firmware updates may change features, and wired use disables the mics. Despite a few minor drawbacks, these headphones deliver incredible comfort, connectivity, and sound quality. If you're serious about immersive sound and top-notch noise cancellation, these headphones are hard to beat. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.